Hello guys, this is Abhijit Hepsur explaining you the construction of the antenna. This antenna is specifically designed for 144 megahertz for the event called Antenna in Tech Nidarshan 2013 for NMA MIT NITE. Now, coming to the construction of the antenna. This antenna constructs the antenna frame, the bezel wire, the FM circuit board, and the battery, power supply, and the speakers. Now, I'll explain you each part by part. Now, the antenna frame. This frame I have taken a PVC pipe of more than 80 centimeter long, and this is more than 100 centimeter long. Now the specifications is, this loop you can see is made up of a copper or a bezel wire. This wire is the radius of this circle is 70. The radius of this circle is 35 centimeter. That is, the diameter is 70 centimeter. I have an offset of 5 centimeter here, 5 centimeter here, 5 centimeter here. Now this is a circle. This is a loop that is incomplete. That is, the two ends of this loop is not connected. They are isolated. Now, coming to the coaxial part of the wire. This coaxial wire, you have two different layers in a coaxial wire. One is the mesh wire and another is the core of the coaxial cable. Connect the core of the coaxial cable to the one end of the bezel wire and connect the mesh wire to the another end of the bezel wire. Please note that these two are isolated. Now coming to the FM receiver circuit board. The FM receiver, the model which I have used is 733T. Now have a FM circuit board. In this there are few connections coming out. One is the aerial, the green color which you can see. The antenna connected to the core of the coaxial cable, and the mesh wire you connect it to the ground of the circuit, or the black part of the battery. Now there are two more wires, black and red, coming out of the FM circuit board, connected to the positive and negative respectively of the power supply. Now coming to the volume control, you get three separate wires out from the circuit board, that is called the volume control. Remove the ground wire in that is the middle part, and short the two ends of the wire. Now coming to the speaker, how to connect the speaker. Again, you have two more wires coming out of the circuit board, connected to the any two ends of the speaker. You have two terminals for any of the speaker connected to the speaker. Now to tell about how to modify this circuit, we have these are commercially available circuit which receives a frequency of 80 megahertz to 110 megahertz. Now that this antenna is receiving 144 megahertz, we need to modify something. See carefully into the circuit. You have three inductance coil. You can see the three copper coils. Now the copper coil with the maximum turns, please don't touch it. The copper coil with minimum turns, please spread it like how I have did it. And adjoining to that, you have two different capacitors which you got to remove it. Anytime you find any kind of difficulty removing the capacitor, please consult the organizers. Now you can use this as a switch. You can use a switch to control this circuit, or you can directly use this. You can directly unplug the power supply. Thank you.